The Met Gala has no shortage of extravagant gowns, but cleaning and preserving them is a different story. This beautiful kimono-inspired wedding dress is one of the most beautiful gowns I've ever seen. This dress is truly immaculate, but the process of cleaning a gown like this is quite a bit different. As you can see, this gown has very intricately designed embroidery throughout the entire dress. And Bill needs to take great care in protecting this one-in-a-million piece that is truly a work of art. But first, we need to figure out how it's going to get cleaned, because the usual bath isn't going to cut it. So it's time for Bill to gear up. This fancy, fully waterproof suit is called Frog Togs. You might wonder what on earth he needs this for. Well, you're about to find out. But first, Bill needs to deal with a stain. As you can see, there's a small stain on one of the appliques. So, Bill first applies Picrin, but it doesn't move. Then, he switches to erase, works it with the bone, and then uses the steam gun to flush the stain. And as you can see, it came out perfectly. And now, it's time for cleaning. He turns the dress inside out to clean the interior first, hangs it in the dress shower, and makes the perfect cleaning solution using water and Bill and Dave's excellent soap. First, we need to pre-soak the dress. And now, Bill applies the soap, making sure to cover every inch before hand cleaning with the brush. As you can imagine, this process was long and grueling, and definitely not for the faint of heart. Bill works meticulously to ensure that every inch is clean before rinsing the gown. Now it's time to turn the dress right side out and repeat the same process over again. After a final rinse, it's time to move it into the dress sauna to dry. Now it's time for finishing, starting with the belt. Next, he moves on to the bow. During this process, Bill found a stain and takes it over to the spotting board to take care of it. He first uses Picrin and dries it. Then he applies PSR, which is basically dry cleaning in a can with baby powder. The solvent helps the fabric to release the oils, while the baby powder helps to absorb it. Next, Bill uses Picrin again with a feathering technique to help remove the remaining oil. And now it's stain-free and ready to finish pressing. Now it's time for the gown, and Bill always starts with the hanger loops. What most people don't know is that wedding gowns need to be pressed from the inside out. This small step makes a huge difference in the overall appearance of the dress, as well as the comfort level when wearing it. The sleeve of the gown needed a little repair work before it's finally finished. Working with beautiful wedding gowns is something we do every single day, but occasionally you get ones that take your breath away. This gown is more than just a dress. It holds generations of traditions, culture, art, and love in every single stitch. And that's something we never take for granted.